So I did my car yesterday with Produxa and it came out amazing. Look at the beading on this roof of my car. This stuff is so easy to use. It goes on and comes off very easily. There's absolutely no time to do it. I used to wax my car. It'd take me an hour and a half. This stuff takes 20 minutes. What an amazing shine you get out of it. Look at the beading on this car. This is a 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage. Look at the windshield, the beading on it, the hood. Oh my God, it's so amazing. The tires look fantastic. All my black trim looks amazing. Here's another tire. I even did the wheel wells. Look how black those things are. Oh my God, this stuff is amazing. I can't say enough good things about it. What a great product. I highly recommend it. Beautiful shine. Works well on glass. Goes on and off easily. Look at my dashboard. I don't know if you can see it, but it's black. It's better than when I bought it brand new. This stuff is simply amazing. I highly recommend this. There's a picture of my dashboard right there. Great stuff, man. You can't beat it. Look at my interior. I just love this stuff. Definitely would buy it again. It's just a great product. It goes on so easy. I can't say enough good things about this. Highly recommend it. Great product. Thank you for Facebook for getting me onto this stuff. Fantastic. Thank you so much.